everyone, I'm Auntie M, and are you ready to exercise your brain?
Are you ready to laugh and play? Learn new things every day. Let Auntie M show you the way.
Today we're gonna work out, but not our bodies, but our brains. Did you know you could exercise your brain? Isn't that amazing? But you don't run around or lift weights like you do for your body. You work on puzzles and your coordination. Do you want me to show you how? Okay, let's go. Okay, we're gonna start with body puzzles. Have you ever tried any of these before? They're so fun, and they're even more fun with friends. Come on, Alice.
Hi, Auntie M.
Hi, Alice. The first puzzle we're gonna do is called Bunny Hunter. We're gonna make a bunny with our right hand just like this, and then we're gonna point to it with your left hand with your thumb up and your pointer finger towards the bunny. And then we're gonna alternate. So then your left hand's the bunny, and then the right hand is pointing at it. Back and forth, back and forth.
This is really hard.
Sometimes it can be really hard, but that's the point of it. You see, it's not a bunny, but that's the fun, and that's gonna make your brain grow really, really big and strong. So if you practice these, whoop, just like that. But if you don't get it right away, that's okay. That's the point. You have to practice. And then at the end, you'll be really good at it, and your brain will be really flexible. Do you want to try another one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one's called arm circles, and you take your right hand and you move it towards your body. You make a big circle just like that. And then you take your left arm and you make a circle away from yourself. And then you do it at the same time. I know.
Okay.
Can you do it? So this one's going out, well, this one's going in. And oh my goodness, it's so hard.
Oh.
Are you doing it?
I think I'm doing it.
Are we both doing it? No. Am I doing it?
Oh. No, we're both. Oh, here we go.
Oh, you're so good at it. I don't think I'm doing it right, but that's okay.
I don't know how to stop.
You're doing
I'm
so
stuck.
good. Yay! And if you can't get it at home, that's okay. That just means your brain's growing and it's trying something that it hasn't before. And that's a really good thing because then your brain can grow. Do you want to try something else? Well, why don't we try patterns?
What?
Have you done patterns before, Alice?
Yeah. I love patterns.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's try some. Let's go. Wow, what is that?
This is called an accordion.
That's amazing. It looks like a piano on that side.
That's right. An accordion has keys just like a piano, except they don't make any noise until you move the bellows of the accordion, which is full of air. And so when that air passes through,
wow. What
makes
a
sound.
cool sound. What are
Yeah.
these buttons for?
these buttons some of them play notes, some of them play chords, and some of them do that.
That sounds scary.
I haven't learned that calling yet.
Oh, that's okay. That's the whole point of this, because we're always learning.
Music uses the pattern of numbers to make a song.
Amazing.
Do you know what else uses the pattern of numbers?
I don't know. Ice cream.
Probably math.
Math?
That's right.
Oh
1
my goodness.
plus 1 equals 2. That's a pattern. And 1 plus 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 1 equals 15. You can even make it into a song.
How?
1 plus 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 1 equals 15.
That was so good.
I wrote that song a long time ago.
Do you know any other songs?
Nope. Just kidding. I know them all.
Really?
No, but I do know a lot of them.
Do you know Bingo?
Yes.
Do you want to play it?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.
There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and bingo was his name. Oh,
That was so good.
let's do the rest of the choruses.
Okay,
I can't do this part. I can't clap. You'll have to do that for me.
I'll do it.
Okay.
There
Was a farmer, had a dog, and bingo was his name. Oh, I-N-G-O, 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 and bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer, had a dog, and bingo was his name. Oh, N-G-O, 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 and bingo was his name. Oh,
Can we go faster?
let's find out.
Okay.
There was a farmer, had a dog, and bingo was his name. Oh, G-O, 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 and bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer, had a dog, and bingo was his name. Oh, 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 and bingo was his name. Oh, there was a farmer, had a dog, and bingo was his name. Oh, and bingo was his name. Oh,
Wow, that was so fun.
that was like one of those brain puzzles again.
Wow, using our brains is so much fun.
Yeah.
Did you like that? Thank you so much, Ellis. And the accordion, how cool is this?
That's the first time anyone's ever called it that. Thank you.
Oh, I think it's really neat. And if you had a lot of fun, let us know by pressing like, subscribe, or ring the bell so we can go on so many more adventures in the future. And if you saw something that maybe we didn't, you can always put it in the comments because we love to learn from you. Okay, I'm Aunty M. That's A-U-N-T-Y.
Oh, A-U-N-T-Y, 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 and Aunty.
Is my name. Oh.